Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. My name is Ms. Azalin Muhammad Noor, and today we will be going through the course outline. For most of you who didn't turn up for class last week, please take note, yeah? And do ask me questions when we meet up or even before we meet up. You know what I mean. Alright, for this semester there are two codes, HDB 2033 and HDB 2033Z. Yes, and this is a core subject. It's a bachelor's level, and the total credit hours is 3. The prerequisite of this course is academic writing. So for those of you who have successfully completed your academic writing, congratulations. Yep, so this is your next stage. For your second year, most of you, right? So anyway, the assessment is 100% coursework, yeah? Don't be too happy. I will explain to you later why. There are in total 4 assessments lined up for you. The first one is process description, which is a poster presentation. The second one is a technical oral presentation, 30%. Then there's the business meeting, 20%. And the last one is the persuasive oral presentation, 30%. Here are the names of the lecturers who will be teaching you this semester. And where's my name? Okay, here, that's me, Azlim Muhammad Noor. Okay? Let's go to the learning outcomes. So by the end of this course, you should be able to, number 1, apply the principles and practices of professional oral communication skills. Number 2, present information confidently, accurately, and fluently in a variety of professional, business, and social settings. Number 3, persuade effectively in a variety of professional, business, and social settings. And the last one is to communicate interpersonally and working effectively as individual or in teams. So this is the course synopsis. This course emphasizes the theory and practice of professional communication at interpersonal level. That means when you are talking to other people, yeah, that's interpersonal, in teams or to a large group. The course serves to build upon the students' academic and professional knowledge acquired through other core courses, and it will enable them to be highly effective in expressing themselves and in imparting their professional and technological expertise in a variety of jobs, business, professional, and social settings. So I need to explain to you a little bit on this section here. The course serves to build upon the students' academic and professional knowledge. Okay, so that means that what PCS does is help you to extract or to use or to make meaning to whatever that you have learned in your field. So if you are from mechanical engineering, you should take information that you have learned in your mechanical engineering courses to PCS. Similarly, if you are from BIS or ICT, you should also include or take the information or the knowledge that you have gained from your core courses into PCS. If you are from petroleum engineering, that is also required from you. So you need to take whatever that you have learned in your core courses and integrate those information as your content, the main content on the topic that you are going to talk about in PCS. I hope that is clear. If you do not understand, please ask me in class. Let me continue. So this course will be delivered through a series of simulated and activity-based situations. Yep, this is the lineup that we have for you. For week 1, which is done, you should be covering chapter 1 as well as chapter 2. And basically it's all lecture. For week 2, we will be covering chapter 4 and chapter 5 in total. I will also explain to you a little bit on Toastmasters, which will be covered in chapter 3. Week 3, we will be going through chapter 5. Will it be entirely on chapter 5? Let's see. Yes, apparently so. The entire chapter 5, which we will be covering process description, which is on poster presentation. You should also be doing informative oral presentation practice. Because on week 4, you would be going through the evaluation. That's quite fast. For your in 4th week, you would be assessed on one of the topics. You will be discussing with me on which topic it will be in class. Following that, week 5, some more evaluation, followed by week 6, some more evaluation, which is on informative oral presentation, and week 7 as well. Then on week 8, you'll be covering chapter 7. Week 9, you will be conducting your business meeting. Week 10, you'll be covering chapter 6, which is on persuasive oral presentation, which is lecture. Week 11, it is evaluation. In week 12, evaluation. So, what can you say? Let's go through it again. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's the end. So that will go by really, really fast. Study week is commencing on the first week of December, and then you will be having your exam on second week onwards. So the compulsory textbook for PCS is Introducing Professional Communication Skills for Undergraduates. It's written by Ranganathan et al. In 2011. You could find it at the UTP bookstore. If I'm not mistaken, it costs about 20 ringgit. Yep, it is a compulsory textbook, so yes, you need to purchase it. Here are other references that you may want to read. You can also look at YouTube and other topics, or not topics, or other references that are available online. So let me explain to you a little bit more on your assessment. Yep, it's 100% coursework. Yep, that means you will not be having any exams. But what this means is that PCS will actually keep you on your toes. There are so many things that you need to do and consider when you are doing PCS. As you can see, we went through the outline just now. Within 12 weeks, it will go down really, really fast, and you will have assessments almost throughout, within the 12 week. So the first assessment is on poster presentation. It accounts to 20% of your overall score. Poster presentation is group work. Then another group work is business meeting or mock meeting. that accounts for another 20%. You will also be evaluated in technical oral presentation. Technical oral presentation will evaluate you up to 30% of your total score. 30% is accounted through the preparation, and it comes in a form of outline. The outline will be explained to you soon, and then it will be the presentation itself. Okay, following that will be the last part, which is the persuasive oral presentation, and that is 30%. Yeah, 30%. Again, it accounts for 10% of preparation or the outline and 20% for the actual presentation. So I hope you understand what I have explained to you for the assessments. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. You can ask me in class or personally. Here are some of the guidelines. Alright, I will be taking the role of lecturer and I will be your facilitator, and I have the right to change the sequence of the topics and the date of the assessments. But I will naturally consult you or ask you for your opinion. Yeah, and all students are expected to fulfill the requirements of the course, including all active learning activities. All written assignments must be submitted on the stipulated deadline. No marks will be awarded for late submission. Please take note of that. Attendance is compulsory. Students with poor attendance will not be assessed. Okay, that is a very, very simple, straightforward rule. And please abide by the university dress code. No round neck t-shirts, shorts or slippers. Please do not enter class if you are wearing slippers. I cannot stress on how important it is for you to dress up properly. So that ends our lecture. Yeah. Well, it's not really a lecture. It's more on explanation on the course outline, so you will be clear. Thank you very much and see you next time.